how to use a Makita miter saw. First, you may notice your saw is locked, so make sure you unlock it by screwing the little screw. Then press this button and that button at the same time. Lower the saw and cut like butter.
And then also,
to prevent that, you should make sure the bag.
yeah, you gotta make sure the bag for the sawdust is on there, or it goes.
Yes, exactly that.
Also, you can't cut long pieces because you can only do this part. And
Oh,
then
yeah.
You can flip it and do that part, and it sucks that you can't get the middle part.
Also, it's very important. I'm sure you probably already did this. If you didn't, you should check. Plug it in. That's all.
Look at and safety goggles, because safety first.
When you're finished using the saw, you take it by the handle and you push it down. Then you screw in this screw securely for safety reasons. Clean out the back and plug it.
Thanks for watching this how-to.
Hope it was helpful.